having said about the social media thing, there's there's a lot of hate thing going in social media, and it happens to be a concern to be worried about. How Makalmede gonna initiate things to rectify this?
See, as long as you allow something to be wrong, you cannot change it. Everyone has to say no to something wrong, and everybody has to go behind the right. Here, the in the small satisfied, gossip has become, talking has become a big entertainment. So if you start looking at news as entertainment that can excite you, that can sensationalize the moment, then no good can be explained to such people. Everyone has to come together to understand what it will do to your next generation. Where will they go? What will they think is the society you're handing over to the next generation? If you say this is life and if the adults are doing it, what will happen to the young child who's watching you? He will think this is life. This is what I should do. This is the kind of comment I should read. This is the kind of negativity I should be excited about. Nobody is correcting. If elders in the society decide that what we are doing is dangerous to the next generation, then everybody would sit up to think what is right.
Hate has become the language of social media.
Yes.
And what language has Makalmede?
We would like to say what is positive. There are always two roads to a destination. So we're looking at the road of positivity, how to build motivation, how to build energy. Where are we going? Our culture taught us a lot of ways to spend time, to do things, to be with people. Engage in activities that can spread positivity. You are engaged in activities that is spreading negativity. So why don't we find the ways to tell the people to engage in things that are going to spread positivity? That is very, very important because that's the way India was. It was not, we never had a Twitter, we never had WhatsApp, we never had all this before. What did we do 30 years back? We had more children playing outside. We had more people engaging in good activities. We had groups forming friends and going out. But today it's come to be different, which is a wake-up call. It's a wake-up. So Makalmede will make every effort to see that please ward off negativity. Don't support negativity.
How do you feel when hate stones are being peddled on you, or is this even Mr. Rajnikant said that recent days he's been facing many criticism in social media, very, very importantly on his political talks or his statements. What do you see?
See, the hate culture has gone to the extent of disturbing families, stopping work, stopping efforts, and getting afraid. See, they want to intimidate you. Everybody wants to spread this fear factor. Oh, immediately they have to stop and think. And they get satisfied with the gross comments, gross hate culture. And it is that is the kind of society we are worried about. If hate can become a culture, imagine the country, imagine the society. What will my grandchildren do when they read this? What will the children do? So they'll get immediately one step back to understand what is this? Why should our people go through this? What is this? So when you spread the culture of hate and you plant it, it will grow and it will intimidate you, scare you, make you afraid, take a step back, make you feel dishonored, make you feel ashamed. And this is what has been happening all through with our invaders.